I was asked if these booster fans were self-cleaning. The short answer is no. What you need to do probably every 6 months is remove the bottom tube, which is the intake, and you're going to want to clean all the lint out from that little squirrel fan on the bottom. I have my booster fan assembled in the garage in such a way where I can simply pull off the bottom inlet. Reaching up into the bottom of that fan, I can definitely feel a bunch of lint right around that bottom edge. So if we look up through the bottom, here you can see that there's a thick wad of lint built up, as well as the blades of this squirrel fan are kind of covered. So we want to clean all that up. The lint is pretty well packed, so if you're careful and you reach up, you can actually pull it out almost like a cord. It was at this point that I realized that my kids are probably getting ready to do laundry, so I should probably unplug this thing so I don't get my fingers torn up. Now, if you don't do anything else, get that cord of lint out from that squirrel fan. However, I'm going to keep going, and since all the blades are kind of covered in lint, I'm just reaching up and going fin by fin, just rubbing with my fingers to get as much of the lint off those blades as possible, and you'll get a whole bunch more. By the way, I probably clean mine about every 6 months. Depending on the size of your family, how much laundry you do. I've got a family of 5, and we're probably running our washer and dryer daily. At this point, I'm pretty satisfied with how much lint I got out of this booster fan. Before I reassemble the lower duct, I am going to kind of reach down and just pull out any loose chunks that I find inside. Then I'm just lifting it up, and I'm just going to slide that bottom duct into place. And again, I just kind of have it snugly put together so I can very quickly clean the lint out on a pretty regular basis. Now here is all of the lint which I was able to get out of my booster fan, and again, this is about 6 months of accumulation for a family 5 that does laundry pretty regularly. I'm going to have much better flow in my booster fan, and so will you. So clean your booster fan at least every 6 months, if not more often if you've got a larger family.
Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.